equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, disconnect your Dyson V10 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will help ensure that your vacuum runs smoothly after the repair. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With the handle open, locate the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry this clip off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the clip is removed, you can take out the old trigger. Before installing the new trigger, check for any signs of wear or damage in the surrounding area. If everything looks good, insert the new trigger into the handle. Make sure it fits snugly and operates smoothly. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and press them together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Remember, a loose screw can lead to further issues down the line. After reassembling, it's a good idea to test the trigger before putting everything back together. If it feels stiff or doesn't engage properly, you may need to disassemble it again and check the installation. If you're not comfortable with this process or if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Once you're satisfied with the trigger's performance, you can clean the exterior of your Dyson V10. A clean vacuum not only looks good but also performs better. Finally, if you prefer to leave it to the experts, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson V10. Enjoy your vacuum's renewed performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.